Right, so today we're going and change the Tappet cover gasket and seals because it's leaking oil in the back and in the spark plug, the cylinder for the spark plug as well. There's a Kia Cerato 2015. Alright, so we finally get off the cover. Right, we go and clean up the surfaces there. Which part the see that thing, and then we put it on, putting it back on. There's the new seals here. Right, there's the old one still on the cover. Right, so we put it back in the new one here. Right, we press it in properly. Let's just get an idea how we're doing. And then
Yeah, it's supposed to go through there.
it's fitting through here. Right. Alright, so put back up the tappet cover with the gasket. Tighten it down. Right, we change the plugs as well. We go in and check the injectors. Right, the injector rail there. We go in and check the injectors after and see how it looking. Alright, so it's put back in the coil pack. Check back everything. And we good to go. Alright, so coil pack's in. Right. We check the injectors spraying good. Alright, there's the harness for the injectors. We're going to pop that. And then we're good to go.